What is a head gasket? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, certified master technician. Well, this is a head gasket. And you may have been in a panic because you saw how expensive it is to replace. Well, basically you have two really major engine components that this seals in between. You have your cylinder block, which has your pistons in it, and then you have a cylinder head which sits in top. So basically this is in the center of the engine, and that's why it's so expensive to do. And it actually seals the area around the piston, and then there's a lot of your radiator fluid, or what's called coolant, that goes around that to keep all that heat cooled off of your engine. And so when this begins to leak internally, we start to get either those hot combustion gases from the engine running into the radiator, or we can sometimes get coolant into the cylinder. So that's a basic information. This is what a head gasket looks like, and that's what it does. It basically seals the cylinder, and it's very hard to get to. So there's your information on a head gasket. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.